Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine at your homes and safe. Students, today we will learn parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech. First, we will learn their names. First one is noun. Second is verb. Third, pronoun. Number 4, adverb, adjective. Next is adverb. Number 6, preposition. Number 7, conjunction. And the last is interjection. Now we will learn them in detail. First is noun. A noun is a verb used as the name of anything. Bachcho, you can observe around you, you can see lots of things in your room: a fan, a table, a chair, your bags, your books. Each and everything has a name. So noun indicates something which has name. It can be a name of a person, an animal, an object, a place, a situation, an idea, anything. You all know that each and everything around you has a specific name. So noun is something about name. That could be an animal, a person, object, a place, a situation, an idea. It could be anything that around you. Next is verb. A verb which expresses an action. A verb is a word which expresses or shows something happening. For example, when you eat, when you jump and ride, all these are actions. Next is pronoun. A pronoun is used as a substitute for a noun. As for example, Ali is a boy, he is very tall. So we use Ali in first sentence and he in the next one. He is a pronoun which is used as a replacement of Ali. Ali is a boy, he is very tall. Ali is noun and he is a pronoun. We use he in next sentence. Next is adjective. An adjective is a word that qualifies a noun or pronoun by describing it. But your adjective is simply a quality. It tells us about the qualities, merits, demerits, anything about anything. For example, tall, small. It tells us that how pretty or how beautiful something is. It tells about the qualities of something. Next is adverb. An adverb is a word that modifies or describes a verb, adjective or action verb. But your adverb is simply a word that modifies or describe a verb and adjective. It tells us how the action is performed. We have learned previously that verb is an action word. So adverb tells us that how the action has been performed. It tells us about the verb. It could be a verb, it could be adjective, it could be another verb as well. So it tells us about how the action was performed. The next is preposition. A preposition is a word placed before a noun or pronoun to govern it. For, to, in. For example, bachcho, in Urdu you use ka, ke, ki as helping words to connect to join the words. So in English we use for, to, in. Next one is conjunction. A conjunction is a word used to connect words or groups of words. Conjunction is used to connect two sentences. For example, if you use a sentence in which you say Ali is a boy, he eats slowly. For example, he eats slowly because he is very fat. So because is used to join two sentences. So because is a conjunction. It used to connect or join two sentences. Next is interjection. And interjection is a word that expresses strong emotion. But जो interjection is all about emotions. It is a sudden feeling that comes out on seeing something beautiful or ugly, or something if something happens to you, and then sudden emotion or sudden expression. Interjection is all about that. For example, oh hooray, we use an exclamation sign after all sentences that are interjection. It has a specific sign as well, which is used and which tells us that it is an interjection. So bachcho, this was our today's lesson. Hope you all get it. If someone has any difficulty or any issue, you all are free to ask me in online classes. And your assignment is that you all have to write 5 examples of each and send me in your online group. Allah Hafiz, fi aman Allah.